You know what he looks like?
What?
He looks like oh my gosh.
Turkey?
No. He looks like that like Robinson Crusoe on Mars, but it's with the guy with the guy that looks like that.
Okay.
Oh. And had the little kid on Mars. And he was like the Guy Friday, but he was like in the mining camp, and he looked like...
Lost in Space?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, you're thinking Enemy Mine.
Enemy Mine, yes. Look at it, this view from the side. He looks like Enemy Mine guy.
Okay, we'll go to the side. No, he looks like a baby cockatiel.
What you looking at? Look at that with his little curved feathers. You look like, what's his name on Enemy Mine? Yes, you do. They took after you little cockatiels when they made that guy up.